The following presentation will provide you with audio and visual instructions on how to use two new technology resources, Easly and Socrative. You will utilize these tools throughout our upcoming unit, so feel free to refer back to this presentation as needed to familiarize yourself with the features of both tools. The standards guiding our unit on positive interactions with others come from the American School Counselor Association's National Standards for Students. The two standards you can see on the screen there. Students will acquire the knowledge, attitudes, and interpersonal skills to help them understand and respect self and others, as well as students will make decisions, set goals, and take necessary action to achieve goals. There are multiple benchmarks that go with each of these two standards, but I will delineate those to you with the various activities you will complete during our unit. Alrighty, so the first tool I am going to demonstrate is Easly. So to do that, if you go into your web browser and you do www.easel.ly and hit enter, it'll take you right to the website. Now you will have to create a username or a login. Okay, sign up for free. You can do that. The only thing you'll need besides name, it'll ask you for an email address, so you'll need that to sign up, but you should be okay after that. So I'm gonna go ahead and log in. I've already set up my account. And my username is my email address, and then I've got my password. It's already in there, so I'm gonna hit login. And what's nice about this is, so I went ahead and started this interactive poster, which is what you will be using Easly for, is to create an interactive poster. And you can do a lot of neat things with it. And what's nice is if you look over here under my visuals, I already have one that I've started. So if I want to continue working on it, okay, I can click on that. Now, keep in mind, I already have my interactive poster started here, but if you scroll down, you can see, so you can start fresh and you can make your own, or they've got a ton of different templates from which to choose if you wanted to start there instead of creating your own from fresh, okay? So keep that in mind, but I'm gonna go ahead and here, click on this. And you'll see it's very easy to use, but it's neat because you've got different templates. You can upload objects or media. So for example, if you want a video to be on your interactive poster, to be a part of a presentation that you make, if you click on media, so if you've got stock photos, you can upload files from your computer, or YouTube. So if you can find a video on YouTube, for example, I've already got one pulled up here. I'm going to copy that link and I'm going to then paste it right here and then hit select. And you'll notice if you give it a minute here, it is going to insert that video onto my interactive poster, and then I can move it around. And if I want, I can hit play, and you'll see I already have another video uploaded here. Something else that's pretty neat that you can do, you can add in different shapes. Like you'll see down here, I added some little thought bubbles, and then I added a text box within them. Text box, you can do different charts, so they've got a couple to choose from. Again, you can upload other images, graphics, text, anything that you save to your computer. So you have a lot of different options. The main thing to remember as well is that you want to remember to save every so often, and you can name it, and then when you click save. Sometimes this takes a few minutes, depending on the internet connection that you have on your computer, but you want to make sure that you save it before you leave your interactive poster so that you can come back and work on it later. So see, this one's already done. Keep in mind there are a few more options as well. So if you have multiple interactive posters that you use, again, this is an account you can log into, and this is free. You can open and then select your different visuals if you have more than one. So like I only have one interactive poster. You can always clear the canvas and start over. You can download different versions of it or export your work. You can also share it, which is pretty nice. Now keep in mind that sometimes you'll see something that says GoPro. That does cost money, but for what you need to accomplish, you do not need anything but the free version to complete your interactive poster and really have a pretty neat presentation and a different way to give presentations than just a general PowerPoint. Our next tool that we will be exploring is Socrative, and this is more of an assessment tool, whereas Easly is one for learning. So Socrative, it's pretty simple to use. So again, it's compatible with any of your devices, so you'll be able to access it through your tablet or from an iPhone, from a computer. It doesn't matter as long as you've got the internet connection and the class code. So if you go into your web browser, go to Socrative.com, and then mine's already entered into the browser. Okay, it's going to take you to a website that looks like this, and you are the student, so you will click on Student Login. And from there, I will give you the room name. So for these purposes, my last name, Valier, and then 5796. Then you're going to hit Join. Now, teacher side here. Okay, so you won't see what I see here, but I'm going to set up a quick true or false question. Okay, log on again here. So then I'm going to do a true or false question, and then it basically, this is my screen, and I'm going to wait to see what the class answers. But if you go back to the student one, student side, so you're going to hit join, and then when you join, you should automatically, let's try that again here. 796. So when you join my room, there it is. So it automatically, any questions, exit tickets, quizzes, games that are on here, anything that I assign to that room number will automatically show up for you once you join the room. And then it's just the tap of a finger or the click of a button. So if you want to answer again, I might pose a question to the class verbally, and then you're going to answer true or false. You submit, and then it will tell you you've completed the activity, and then you can wait for the next activity to begin. And again, I'll get the results on my side, and then that's where we can have a discussion about the results, and then I will assign other questions as necessary. But again, super easy to use. All you have to do is know how to get to the site, and you need the room code to log in, and otherwise you'll follow the instructions depending on the activities that I assign to you. If you have any questions, definitely come see me, let me know, or shoot me an email. And just remember, you are free to refer back to this presentation at any time.